Welcome to Kadapa, a city nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, India. This city, with its rich history and vibrant culture, offers a unique blend of the old and the new. From ancient temples to modern infrastructure, Kadapa is a place where tradition meets progress. This vibrant city, also known as Kadapa, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. The streets of Kadapa are always bustling with activity, showcasing the daily lives of its friendly and welcoming residents. The local markets are a treasure trove of fresh produce, traditional crafts, and delicious street food that tantalizes the senses. Kadapa is located in the southwestern part of Andhra Pradesh. It serves as a gateway to the Rayalaseema region, known for its unique cultural and historical significance. The strategic location of Kadapa makes it an important hub for trade and commerce in the region. The city lies on the banks of the Penna River, adding to its scenic beauty. The river not only provides a picturesque backdrop, but also plays a crucial role in the agricultural activities of the region. The lush green fields along the riverbanks are a testament to the fertility of the land. Kadapa is easily accessible by road from major cities in Andhra Pradesh. The well-maintained highways ensure a smooth and comfortable journey for travellers, whether you are driving from Hyderabad, Bangalore or Chennai. The road trip to Kadapa is filled with scenic views and interesting stops along the way. It is well connected by rail, with regular train services to major cities across India. The Kadapa railway station is a bustling hub, with trains arriving and departing throughout the day. The train journey to Kadapa offers a glimpse of the diverse landscapes of Andhra Pradesh, from rolling hills to vast plains. Kadapa also has its own airport, making it reachable by air. The airport connects Kadapa to major cities like Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai, making it convenient for both domestic and international travellers. The aerial view of the airport, surrounded by the natural beauty of the region, is a sight to behold. Kadapa is home to several historical landmarks and ancient temples that reflect its rich cultural heritage. The city is dotted with monuments that tell the story of its glorious past. From the majestic Gandikota Fort to the serene Amin Pir Dargah, each site offers a unique glimpse into the history and traditions of Kadapa. The cultural vibrancy of Kadapa is evident in its numerous festivals and events. The city comes alive during celebrations like Ugadi, Sankranti and the Kadapa Rithu Bazaar festival. Traditional dance and music performances are a common sight, showcasing the artistic talents of the local community. These events provide a wonderful opportunity to experience the rich cultural tapestry of Kadapa. Kadapa experiences a hot and semi-arid climate. Summers can be quite warm with temperatures soaring. Winters are mild and pleasant, making it an ideal time to explore the city's outdoor attractions. The monsoon season brings much-needed relief from the heat. The best time to visit Kadapa is during the winter months from October to March. The weather is pleasant during this time, making it suitable for outdoor activities. Kadapa is surrounded by stunning natural beauty, including the magnificent Nallamala Hills. These hills form a part of the Eastern Ghats, one of the oldest mountain ranges in India. The Nallamala Hills are home to dense forests, cascading waterfalls, and a wide variety of flora and fauna. Trekking through the Nallamala Hills is an exhilarating experience, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The hills are also home to several ancient temples, adding a touch of history to your adventure. To the north of Kadapa lie the Palkonda Hills, another beautiful range offering breathtaking views and tranquility. These hills are known for their unique rock formations shaped by centuries of erosion. The Palkonda Hills are also home to several ancient temples and forts, remnants of a glorious past. Exploring the Palkonda Hills is like stepping back in time. You can visit ancient temples, marvel at the architectural prowess of bygone eras, and enjoy the serenity of the surroundings. Section 5, the Grand Canyon of India, Gandikota Gorge. Nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, Gandikota Gorge is a hidden gem that offers a breathtaking spectacle of nature's grandeur. This stunning gorge, often referred to as the Grand Canyon of India, is a testament to the incredible forces of nature that have shaped our planet over millions of years. No trip to Kadapa is complete without witnessing the awe-inspiring Gandikota Gorge. As you stand at the viewpoint, the sheer scale and beauty of the gorge unfold before your eyes, leaving you spellbound. The panoramic views are nothing short of spectacular, making it a perfect spot for photography enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Carved by the Penna River over millions of years, this gorge is often referred to as the Grand Canyon of India. The river's relentless flow has sculpted the landscape, creating deep valleys and towering cliffs that rise majestically from the ground. The sight of the Penna River winding its way through the gorge is a mesmerizing experience, offering a glimpse into the geological history of the region. The sheer magnitude of the gorge, with its towering cliffs and deep valleys, is a sight to behold. The cliffs, standing tall and proud, seem to touch the sky, while the valleys below create a dramatic contrast, adding to the gorge's allure. The interplay of light and shadow on the rocky surfaces throughout the day creates a dynamic and ever-changing landscape that captivates the senses. You can hike along the rim of the gorge, enjoying breathtaking views. The trails offer varying levels of difficulty, catering to both novice hikers and seasoned trekkers. As you walk along the paths, you'll encounter numerous vantage points that provide stunning views of the gorge and the surrounding landscape. The sense of adventure and the thrill of exploration make hiking at Gandikota an unforgettable experience. Visit the ancient Gandikota fort, perched on a cliff overlooking the gorge, for a glimpse into history. This historic fort, with its impressive architecture and strategic location, offers a fascinating insight into the region's past. As you explore the fort, you'll come across ancient structures, intricate carvings, and panoramic views of the gorge below. The fort stands as a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the area, making it a must-visit destination for history buffs and curious travelers alike. Section 6. Ancient Echoes. Exploring Kadapa's historical sites. Nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, Kadapa is a treasure trove of historical wonders waiting to be explored. This region, with its rich cultural heritage, offers a glimpse into the past through its magnificent structures and ancient relics. Kadapa is steeped in history, with numerous ancient temples, forts and palaces dotting its landscape. Each of these sites tells a unique story, reflecting the architectural brilliance and cultural significance of bygone eras. The ancient temples, with their towering spires and intricate carvings, stand as a testament to the region's spiritual and artistic heritage. One such landmark is Devuni Kadapa, an ancient Shiva temple located on the banks of the Penna River. This temple is not just a place of worship, but also a symbol of the region's historical and cultural identity. The serene surroundings of the Penna River add to the temple's mystical aura, making it a must-visit for anyone interested in history and spirituality. This temple is renowned for its intricate carvings and architectural grandeur. The detailed sculptures and motifs carved into the temple walls depict various mythological stories and deities, showcasing the craftsmanship of ancient artisans. Visitors can spend hours marveling at the fine details and the sheer scale of the temple's architecture. Another must-visit is the Pushpagiri temple complex, a group of temples dedicated to various Hindu deities. This complex is a significant pilgrimage site and attracts devotees from all over the country. The temples here are not only places of worship, but also architectural marvels that reflect the rich cultural tapestry of the region. These temples are known for their architectural beauty and religious significance. The intricate designs and the spiritual ambience of the Pushpagiri temples offer a unique experience to visitors. During religious ceremonies, the temples come alive with vibrant colors, chants, and rituals, providing a glimpse into the living traditions of the region. History enthusiasts will be captivated by the stories these structures tell. Each stone, each carving, and each monument in Kadapa has a tale to narrate, from the rise and fall of dynasties to the evolution of art and architecture. Guided tours offer deeper insights into the historical context and significance of these sites, making the exploration of Kadapa's historical sites a truly enriching experience. Section 7. The vibrant culture of Kadapa. Kadapa's rich cultural heritage is reflected in its vibrant festivals and traditions. One such festival is the Pushpagiri Pushkaram, a religious festival celebrated once every 12 years. During this festival, devotees flock to the Pushpagiri temple complex to take a holy dip in the sacred waters. Kadapa is also known for its delicious cuisine, which is a blend of Andhra and Rayalaseema flavors. Don't miss the opportunity to savor local delicacies like gongura mutton and ragi sankati. Section 8. Adventure and exploration in nature's playground. For adventure enthusiasts, Kadapa offers ample opportunities for trekking, camping, and wildlife watching. The Nalamala and Palkonda hills are home to several trekking trails, ranging from easy to challenging. You can camp amidst nature, surrounded by the sounds of the wilderness. Wildlife enthusiasts can visit the nearby Sri Venkateswara National Park, home to a variety of animals including tigers, leopards, and sloth bears. Section 9. Planning your Kadapa adventure. Getting to Kadapa is convenient with well-connected road, rail and air networks. The city is served by Kadapa Airport, which has regular flights to major cities across India. You can also reach Kadapa by train as it is well connected to major cities by rail. Plan your Kadapa adventure today and immerse yourself in the beauty, history and culture of this hidden gem in Andhra Pradesh.